Good morning. Alexandria, point your camera down. I can only see your forehead. There, now I see you. Hello, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Make sure you have paper and pencil. Alexandria, you have a question? What's up?
We never ever did my dance party.
No, but look, I wrote it down so I wouldn't forget today. Okay, so we'll do it today, promise. Hello, Deslin and Keelasia and Charmaine and Sean. Hello. All right, while we're waiting for some friends to join us, I'm going to write some problems on my board here. And you can go ahead and start working them out on your paper. If you need to draw a picture, whatever it is you need to do to find the answer. Okay, our first one is 8 plus 2 equals blank. The second one is subtraction, so make sure you pay attention to those signs. So go ahead and write that whole problem out and then try to solve it on your own. You could think in your head or use pictures. Don't show your answers. All right, make sure that you, good job, TJ, but make sure you write your answers. Fill in the blank. Remember, we don't want to show our answers. We're giving away our answers for free. See, Jacob's giving me a thumbs up that he's ready. Kaylee and Alexandria have thumbs up. Tyler has thumbs up. TJ has thumbs up. All right, Jacob, you want to help us with the first one? 8 plus 2. What'd you get for your answer? Jacob, 8 plus 2 equals?
10.
Excellent. Perfect. We could start with 8 in our head, 8, and count on 2 more. 8, 9, 10. To the number 10. Excellent. Friends, do we notice something? Do we notice that we have 2 and 10 and 2 and or 10 and 2? Maybe that's a related fact, right? So what is 8 minus 2? Kaylee, help me out.
8 minus 2 equals 10. 8.
8. Excellent. 8 minus 2 equals 8. I'm sorry, 10 minus 2 equals 8. We're saying all our numbers wrong today. You are correct. So that's a little facts family. We have the same three numbers, 8, 2, and 10. Maybe just in a different order with some different signs. So if 8 plus 2 equals 10, what is 2 plus 8? Tyler, help me out. If 8 plus 2 equals 10, what is 2 plus 8?
2 plus 8.
Look, 8 plus 2 equals 10. So 2 plus 8 also equals
10.
10. Oh, this is our part swapped around, right? Our answer doesn't change. Perfect. And I'm going to come back some a little bit. If 10 minus 2 equals 8, then 10 minus 8 will equal, oh, you can't see it. Hold on. Then 10 minus 8 will equal what, Alexandria?
2.
Look, friends, we use the same three numbers over and over again, just in a different order with different signs. Perfect. Hello, friend. Hello, Daniel and Lauren. Aubrey, I see your name, but I don't see your face. Oh, there you are. Yay. Hi, Aubrey. Hello, hello. Hi, Amia. Good morning. All right, so if you have room on your paper, you're just going to start below it. If you need to turn your paper over, if you need a new piece of paper, quite all right. We're going to do a little word problem, okay? All right, so there are not, and you don't have to write this. We're just working it together. There are 9 ducks in a line. And you guys, you actually have your end of module math test today. So I am going through all these practice problems so that you will be ready for your test. Okay, so if I were you, let's begin with the end in mind. We want a good grade on our test, and your teacher here is doing practice problems with you. So it's probably a good idea for you to pay super close attention so you can do super awesome on your math test. Okay, so there are 9 ducks in a line. There are 2 grown-up ducks. Again, you do not need to write this. And the rest are babies. All right, we have to figure out how many are babies because we don't know. So it says, how many ducks are there? Show me with your fingers. How many ducks does it say that there are? Thank you. I need to take a moment and give some tickets. I'm giving tickets to Alexandria, Jacob, Kaylee, and Deslin. That's not to say that other people aren't participating, but those 4 friends have been on it since the moment they got on Zoom. They're participating. So I'm just going to keep an eye out for other friends that deserve tickets. So remember, our goal is that we're focused while we're on Zoom. And if we're focused, we're generally paying attention and participating. Okay, here's our word problem. You guys just showed me 9 fingers because we said there were 9 ducks in a row. Okay, so we know that's our hole. So we're going to go ahead and draw a picture of that. All right, I'm going to come down here and draw 9. And I'm going to draw in a 5 group because that helps me organize my thoughts, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's my picture of my 9 ducks in a line. Can you remind me? It says how many are grown-ups? How many of them are grown-ups? Can you show me with your fingers? Look for the number. Thank you. Thank you. There are 2 grown-ups and the rest are babies. Okay, help me out. Does that mean that I'm going to draw 2 more circles, or are the 2 grown-ups in this 9? Touch your nose if you know. Am I drawing 2 more circles because 2 more ducks came along, or are my 2 grown-ups inside this 9? TJ, what you think? Do I need to draw more, or 2 are inside this 9?
2.
Which one? Am I drawing 2, or 2 are already in the 9?
2 already in the 9.
Excellent. 2 are already in my 9. Good job, TJ. So it doesn't say 2 grown-up ducks came along. It says there are 2 grown-ups and the rest are babies. So however way you want to do it, you could either color in 2 circles. I'm just going to cross out 2, and I'm going to cross it out from over here. Because remember, we don't want to mess up our beautiful 5 group, right? It's perfect. We don't want to mess that up. So I'm just going to go, there's my 2. And now I should be able to see, I can even circle it to help me. Now I should be able to see how many were babies. Daslin, how many were babies?
7.
7. Excellent. This is 7. Okay, so let's write a number sentence that matches this. Okay. We could do subtraction or addition. So we're gonna do, of course, we're gonna do both. All right, let me get it so you can see all the things. Okay, so we're gonna do, hold on, friends. I want to make sure you can see everything. Okay, we're gonna do an addition problem and a subtraction problem. All righty. So, who can start me off with my 2 parts? That's my addition problem, my 2 parts. You can see it circled, oopsies, circled and crossed out. Aaliyah, help me out.
7 plus 2 equals 9.
Excellent. All we had to do was look at our picture, right? 7 and 2 equals 9. Excellent. 7 plus 2 equals 9. I just gave 2 other friends tickets. Oh, make that 3. 3 other friends. I see another person. All right, now we need to make our subtraction problem. Remember, with subtraction, we start with the whole. So see, we have our part whole. So if we're looking at our addition problem and we know we start with our whole, what is our whole, Kaylee? Look at our numbers. Part, whole. Which one's our whole? It's the big number. You can show me with your fingers if mute is not, if you can't. There we go.
9 minus 2 equals 7.
Excellent. We started with 9. We took away 2, and then we were left with 7. Perfect. Yay. Kiss your brain. Y'all did a great job with that. Go ahead, Kaden. All right, give me a thumbs up when you're ready for the next one. I see a lot of touching noses. Are we asking questions? Well, let's try to save our questions for the end and just show that we are ready for the next one with a thumbs up. What's the matter, Alexandria? What you need?
And actually, on my on my plus one, I did of the other one, the sentence I told me to do, but on the minus one, I did my own sentence. It says 9 minus 7 equals 2.
That would also work. That is a fact family, but we want to just be super, super careful because it wants to know how many are babies. So we wanted to end up with 7. So if you'd have swapped it, it still would have been a correct number sentence, but we would have had to been really, really sure we knew that 7 were how many babies, right? Yeah. Okay, friends, we're going to do another little practice problem. Okay. All right, I'm erasing. So if you're trying to write the whole thing, remember we didn't need to do that. Okay, so we're going to write this on our paper. All right, I need you to find the answer. Solve for 9 minus 6. You can do it in your head. You can draw a picture. When you know, give me a thumbs up. Or I'm sorry, when you know, touch your nose. That's what I meant, not thumbs up. When you know the answer, touch your nose. Kaylee and Aaliyah know the answers. Lauren says she knows the answer. Hey, Travis. I didn't see you. Alexandria knows the answer. Kaden knows the answer. Jacob. Amia. Daniel. All right, Lauren, help me out. What's 9 minus 6? Lauren, there we go. We should have our answer ready because it should be on our paper.
9 minus.
Start with 6 and count on until you get to 9. 6, count with me. 6, 7, 8,
9,
okay, how many fingers did I need?
3.
3. Thank you, Mia. Pat yourself on the back if you got 9 minus 6 equals 3. Woohoo. Excellent. All right, now with these numbers, we're going to switch some things around and we're going to write the addition sentence that matches it. We're going to write the addition sentence that matches. Remember, when we're subtracting, it's whole, part, part. When we are adding, we swap that around and it's part, part, whole. So all you have to do is move these 3 numbers into a different position so that it makes sense as an addition problem. Touch your nose when you're ready. All right, Amia, help me out. What am I going to, I have 9 minus 6 equals 3. How do you do addition?
6 plus 3 equals 9.
6 plus 3 equals 9. Wonderful. Hey, question. Could yours have been a little different? Anybody? Could you have maybe done something a smidge different but still been correct? Aaliyah, what could you have done differently?
3 plus 6 equals 9.
Yes. Hey, are they both right? Are both answers right? Yes, absolutely. Good job, girls. All right. We should be all caught up. Give me a thumbs up when you're ready. We're going to do one more. I see Aubrey's thumbs up, and Kaylee, and Alexandria, and Amia, and Deslin, and Tyler. Tyler's thumb is up, but he's still writing, so that's interesting. Daniel. TJ's ready. Caden's got 2 thumbs up. Jacob's writing his down, and then we're going to move on. Those of you who are ready, make sure you have space on your paper because we're going to do a couple more. And you can actually go ahead. Oh, Jacob's ready. Perfect timing. You can actually go ahead and draw on your paper a number bond. Oh, my circle is very small. Let me do that again. First, let's solve our number bond. So our 2 parts are at the bottom, and our 2 parts are 7 and 3. We have to find our whole. You might already know real quickly what 7 plus 3 is, because they are a number pair of a number that is our friend. Remember, we could start with 7 and count in our head and count on 3 more. Seven, 8, 9. Travis, can you help us out? What's our whole? What's 7 plus 3, Travis? Can you hear me? You might not be able to hear me. Oh, I think he cannot hear. Daniel, can you help me out? What's 7 plus 3?
10.
Oh, perfect, Travis. I'm so glad you heard me. 10.
10.
Yes, Daniel, thank you. 7 plus 3.
I wouldn't know that the whole time.
That's great. I'm so glad. All right, so now with our number bond, we're going to write 2 addition problems. Using what's in our number bond. We don't have to come up with any other numbers because we already did the work. Now we just have to make sure we plug in the numbers in the correct order. Touch your nose if you think you can give us one addition problem that goes with 7, 3, and 10. What do we think? Kaden, go ahead. Hadn't heard from you. Give me an addition problem. Can you say it one more time? I couldn't hear you. 3 plus 7 equals 10? Perfect. 3 plus 7 equals 10. All right, who's thinking of a different one? Who's got a different one in mind? Aubrey, you want to unmute and help us out?
Ten plus 7.
Well, 10 plus 7 gives us 17. So we want to make sure we're using our parts. So Kaden just told us 3 plus 7. So Aubrey, we're just going to swap, and this time we're going to start with 7. So 7 plus what's here?
3.
Equals what?
10.
There we go. Because when we're doing addition, we always want to end up with our whole. We just swap our two parts around. 3 plus 7, and then 7 plus 3. But both of them still equal what? Show me with your fingers. They still equal what? What's our whole? Everybody? Yeah, 10. Okay, and now we're going to write the matching subtraction problems. Remember, we don't need any other numbers. Everything we need is already right there in front of us. We just have to put them in a different order. Remember, when we do subtraction, we start with our whole. So addition, we end with our whole. Subtraction, we start with our whole. So Kaylee, do you want to give us an addition or a subtraction problem? Go ahead, unmute and let us know.
9.
Oh, we're using these numbers.
10 minus 3 equals 7.
Excellent. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Good job. Now, there's another one, right? There's another one where we swap those parts. Remember, our whole stays the same, but our parts swap. Aaliyah, help me out.
Ten minus 7 equals 3.
Excellent. We still started with the same whole, but look, we swapped our parts. Beautiful. All right, while you are writing that down, I'm going to give some points. There were several of us. Oh no, I just noticed that, wonder where Kylie is. Okay, so we're going, while you're still writing that down, we're going to chat about our work for today. Oh, I also wanted to show you guys something new on our Bitmoji classroom. So over here, it now says wow work. It says wow work over here now. And if we click on it, look, there's some of our work. Cool, huh? So those bottom pictures should look pretty funny. My face-to-face friends, we did this silly little activity where we compared wearing a face mask to wearing your underwear. So they designed their own and wrote about it. It was silly. It was Alexandria's face. She's like, what? And then up here, I took some of y'all's virtual work and hung it on the little clothespins. So now you guys get to see each other's work. It's exciting. Yay. All right. So from here for our assignment, we're going to go to class schedule. Today is Thursday. We just did math. So we're going to click here. Actually, yeah, tomorrow is your math test, not today. That was silly. So this is my password. It's obviously not going to work for you, but your passwords, you can find them in Dojo. So like here's Amia's little stuff. Here's all her passwords. So they're all there available for you on Dojo. You just got to make sure you have them. And then you need to complete one whole lesson on Zearn today for your classwork. Okay? Okay. All right. And then here's our points. Okay. I need, hold on. I need for Kelasia and Jacob to hang back when everybody gets off. I'm going to just practice some sight words with you. So when everybody leaves, you guys stay here. Don't, oh, I just realized you cannot see my face. Hold on. Here I am. Okay. Do we have any questions? Anybody want to trade in points? Kaylee, what's up?
Yesterday, me and my mommy practiced on doing my creepy doll makeup for Halloween.
Oh, yeah?
And it's only 9 days until Halloween.
I know, it's super, super close. I'm glad you've got a costume picked out, because I don't. Fun. All right. Yes, Tyler?
What do our assignment look like? Can I take my points?
Okay, Tyler, you got to pay attention to when I show you your assignment, because I said you're doing Zearn today. That's your assignment. So make sure that you're listening when I go over it. And what would you like to trade your, how many points do you have? 38. So would you like, do you already know what you want? What do you want?
Can I do a sky?
I think he said scavenger hunt. Yeah. Well, we have Lauren. Lauren got one too. So we're going to be hunting all day long. All right. Let me take those points from him. Scavenger hunt is 25 points. Scavenger. All right. Yes, Deslin.
Can I turn in my points?
Yes, ma'am. What would you like? You got 18 points. So you could do a dance party, a themed dress up, or change your monster.
Monster.
I figured that's what you were going to want. Do you want a Halloween one? Yeah, okay. All right. 15 monster. Redeem. Okie dokie, Deslin. Here are your choices for Halloween. Oops, when you see one that you want, let me know. I'm going to scroll down though.
You all right, Scooter?
You see one that you want yet?
Yes.
Which one? Describe it to me. Use some adjectives. What color is it?
I don't know how to say that.
White.
Does it have one eye or two eyes?
2.
Is it this one?
Yes.
Yay! That was fun. Alrighty, there's your little monster now. Perfect. All right. We meet again. I forgot to say that. We meet again at 12. 12 o'clock. All right. Yes, Lauren?
Monster.
Can you what?
Can I change my monster?
Yes, ma'am.